Now you are seeing these divisions right here, the layouts or kind of the windows and stuff, and you don't understand what is this all about. Alright, so I'm going to explain all that right now. To make sure that you are going to understand this, let me give you a very practical example, things that we do in daily life. Let us say you go to the shop to buy some little things you want to use for bathing, maybe lotions, bathing soap, towels, and maybe, I don't know, whatever things you use for bathing. After bringing those little things home, you are going to put them somewhere else because you are not bathing yet. So you keep them in some shelves somewhere, and when the bathing time comes, you take them from the shelves and you head straight to the shower. And after that, you go straight to the mirror to see how are you looking now. So basically, yeah, we have a shop, we have the shelves to keep things, we have the place where you do things. And after that, we have somewhere to see what you have done. The very same exactly concept is going to apply, my dear friend. Here we got the shop, which is your computer files. So you bring the files from the computer, and the first thing you're going to keep them in the shelves, which is this window right here. After that, you take all of your stuff down to the timeline, which we have referred to as the shower, the place where you do things. And after that, you want to see what have you done. That is the time you are going to use this window right here, which is the preview screen, the preview window. Alright, so let's get into the details.
Give me a heart that knows no ill. Give me the grace